What if I told you there's a pharmaceutical stock trading right now that could potentially multiply your investment by 3 times in the next few years? A stock that most retail investors are completely sleeping on, but insiders and smart money are quietly accumulating. Today, we're diving deep into Natco Pharma, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could be the most undervalued pharmaceutical gem in the Indian stock market right now. This is our new channel, Stock Sense. Don't forget to subscribe and support us. Natco Pharma is currently trading at approximately 922 rupees. And here's what's mind-blowing: the company delivered record-breaking performance in FY25, with consolidated revenue hitting 4,784 crores, a 16% year-on-year growth. Even better, net profit surged 36% to reach 1,883.4 crores. Now let me tell you about Natco's biggest win in 2022. They became the first company in the world to launch the generic version of Revlimid, a blockbuster cancer drug with nearly $3 billion in annual sales. This wasn't luck, this was pure strategy. Revlimid's launch boosted US revenues by around 3,000 crores from FY22 to FY24. And management is confident they'll capture 33% market share in generic Revlimid by January 2026. But here's where it gets explosive. Natco has a confidential settlement with Novo Nordisk for the generic version of Ozempic in partnership with Milan. Ozempic recorded $14 billion in global sales in 2023 and is projected to hit $18 billion in 2024. Natco holds first-to-file status for key Ozempic doses and all doses of Wegovy, giving them access to a market expected to reach $100 to $200 billion by 2030. Natco's edge lies in complex generics drugs that are hard to make and have little competition. Their portfolio includes generic Revlimid for cancer, glatiramer acetate for multiple sclerosis, liposomal doxorubicin for oncology, and sofosbuvir for hepatitis C. These are not just medicines, they're high-margin, low-competition assets. What's even more exciting? Natco plans to file 8 to 10 niche products every year. Upcoming launches include semaglutide, carfilzomib, and ibrutinib. They also have 8 solo Parekh first-to-file filings and 7 more in the pipeline. That's serious growth potential. Between FY21 and FY24, Natco's revenue, EBITDA, and PAT grew at compound annual growth rates of 25%, 42%, and 46% respectively. Operating margins are strong between 45% to 48%. And they're sitting on more than 3,000 crores in cash, fueling more R&D, faster innovation, and potential acquisitions. In FY25 alone, Natco spent 373 crores on research and development. With over 40 labs and 442 scientists, they're building the next wave of blockbusters. This innovation engine is firing on all cylinders. They've also diversified smartly into crop health sciences, which saw 165% year-on-year growth, and into domestic oncology, where they're a market leader. Add that to high-margin generics, and you have multiple revenue streams and lower risk. Analysts are finally noticing. Price targets range from 1,015 to 1,759. Some forecasts even project 1,426 by 2025. But long-term bulls are whispering a bigger number, 3,000 plus, once their pipeline matures. And I believe that too. Their partnerships are elite: Teva Pharma for Revlimid and Milan for Ozempic and others. These alliances bring market access, global scale, and shared risk, the perfect combination. Here's my take. Natco is a patent-challenging beast, and their first-to-file status means 180 days of market monopoly for each win. That's huge cash flow. With over 3,000 crores in reserves and a dream pipeline, 3,000 rupees per share isn't fantasy, it's a very real possibility. Friends, this kind of opportunity doesn't come often. Natco Pharma is a financial fortress, a growth machine, and a blockbuster in the making. If you truly want to build wealth, ignore the noise. Focus on fundamentals, and Natco has some of the strongest out there. So if you found this breakdown valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This is just the beginning for Stock Sense, your new go-to for powerful stock stories that others miss. Like the video if Natco Pharma excited you as much as it excited me, and drop a comment, are you ready to ride this pharmaceutical rocket? Until next time, keep investing smart with Stock Sense.